Hello Oscar members, this tutorial will show you how to pay your dues to renew your membership for 2024. Start by going to www.osceolarealtors.org. Click on the login icon at the top of the page or member login on the right side of the page to access the member portal. Log in using your NRDS number and password. Once logged in, scroll down the dashboard page to find the account balance box. Click on the Please Pay Your Balance icon. This will take you to the My Orders page. Under the Unpaid Orders section, look for the 2024 Oscar Realtor Dues Line order. Look to the right side of the order for the status column and click on the Pay Dues link. Read and confirm the details of the 2024 dues billing disclosure. Scroll down to see the itemized list of dues. Clicking the Edit icon in the 2024 RPAC Contribution product line will allow the contribution to be edited. Contribution is optional. Once you are ready, click Pay Now to proceed with the payment process. Fill out the credit card and billing information accordingly. Please note, all Oscar members must have a credit card on file. Make sure to select the Save this card to my profile checkbox. Once all the billing information is filled out, select the Continue icon at the bottom of the page. Review the renewal dues, confirm your billing information, then select Submit Payment. If you have any questions or issues with paying renewal dues, please email our membership department at membership@osceola-realtors.org or call us at 407-846-0117.